Hello guys, a very quick update before budget day tomorrow, and it's always a great volatility with respect to budget. And what we see is that the after the budget day, the trending move usually follow the ongoing trend as per Dow theory. So this is a very quick recap and kind of a brush up with basics, and we are going to handle this volatility of budget with respect to this Dow theory. So let us understand if the trend pans out as per Dow theory, then how we are going to be placed. And this will be a very interesting topic for the day and for the next day budget, right? So you'll get certain idea about how we are going to uh, trade. So I'm just sharing my screen with all of you. So right, so this is my Nifty ka screen in front of you, and if I can hide this quickly. Cool. So these are three important levels that I have marked. So what has happened in Nifty? So we have seen from this high of 18,604 to this low of 16,410. So this has become from this high to this low. Now obviously this 18,350 level is like a lower high to us. Okay, this is a high, this is a low, just like this. This is a high, this is a low, this is a lower high, again a lower low, again a lower high, and a lower low. So similarly, we have a lower high here. And after that, instead of making a new lower low, we are seeing a higher low here with respect to this low. Okay, but this is kind of a gray area. So how do we get a defining thing in this gray area? Is that we have to break above this 17,373 for the upside move, which may be around 18,000, but somewhere around 18,000 or below 18,300, so that the downtrend will remain intact. And if this breaks, then the Dow theory will again continue to be bullish. Now, again, this is one part of a gray area, but then we are thinking about too far of action. Right now, our price is at 17,100. So there is no point in discussing about what's going to happen after we reach to, let's say, 1,200 points higher. That will be a scenario which is entirely different. For now, for this budget day, I want you guys to focus on this zone. Okay, and this particular zone tells us if it breaks above this, right, and sustains, then we may see this level of 18,000 or maybe 18,350. But for whatever reason, let's say if we break below 16,836, then the bias is going to be bearish. If at all we break below this 16,410, then the daily time frame downtrend will confirm, and that will tell us that we might be headed towards lower targets. Okay, and in that case, it can be 15,800 or maybe below that. But let us not talk about this today. This will be like a daydreaming. Let's focus on these two levels for our budget related action. If we are going to find a bullish action, then we may see price closing above this 17,373 comfortably. Closing basis is important, whether you follow hourly time frame or a daily time frame. You follow these levels based on your time frame, and on a closing basis, enter only and only if your risk to reward is favorable, right? The risk must be very minimal, because with budget kind of a volatility, market can give a very trending move on either side. So keep that in mind, and we have to focus. This is a basic Dow theory. We are not applying any fancy indicators, right? Nothing, no indicator is telling us. Right now we are just focusing on plain and simple Dow theory. And if Dow theory has to follow, then these two levels are going to tell us what is the story of Nifty. Similarly, if we quickly look at Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty as well, we have this top. From here, this is a bottom, this is a lower high that we have. Bank Nifty is underperforming, remember this. And from here, right now we are in this zone, which is a 2500 zone, apt for Bank Nifty. And we might see, that's my alarm before the pre-market opens. Okay, so 38,800, if it goes above this, then this 40,100 will be our target. But if it could not, or if this If this level becomes a resistance and price could not sustain above this level, then we may see price falling very rapidly around this 36,300 level. Remember, if we break below this, still it will be a downtrend which is confirming. Understand, the prevailing trend right now for both the indices is downtrend, right? And generally what we have seen is indices, they do follow the ongoing Dow theory trend on the day of budget, right? So let's keep our fingers crossed, and these levels should be our guiding thing. So these two levels for Bank Nifty, and this will be our like guiding levels for the tomorrow, and even after that, for the decisive trend to unfold, these levels will guide us. This was a quick update, so I'll keep it limited only to our Nifty and Bank Nifty update. Guys, enjoy the trading time. May the best team win, bulls or bears, whichever has the power, they will move the price in their direction. As a trader, we are happy. Price is moving in either side, we are going to make money, right? All the best. Thanks for your time. And guys, if you like this video, if you benefit from this video, do subscribe to our channel and also share with your like-minded friends. Thank you so much.